Hello everyone, my name is Yanis, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an auto YouTube comment responder using make.com. This will help you save time, increase the engagement on your channel, as well as you will be able to generate some ideas for your upcoming videos. So here is the workflow. It starts with the YouTube model, which triggers this whole scenario as soon as you receive a comment. After that, I created a Google Sheet which is being populated with the data from this first module. So here I have a comment ID, author display name, the comment itself, and also the published date when the comment was made. The next step is I have a ChatGPT model, which analyzes the comment, the type of the comment. Is it a question? Is it a suggestion? Or maybe it's just a simple generated comment. And depending on that, we have different routes. So that's why we have a router here. So let's say you receive a generated comment. It's just, for example, somebody's just saying, hey, thank you, this is a great content. So what I do, I usually respond with a generated answer. This time I created this module reply to comment. And here you can see I just replied, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. After that, again, I update the Google Sheet document with the type of the comment and also the response that I gave to that comment. Let's say you receive a suggestion from someone. Hey, you should speak louder, or for example, you should explain more in detail what are modules, what is trigger. Then I let ChatGPT to generate the response to comment using the same module that we have here. Only the difference is that we respond with a ChatGPT response. After that, I add another ChatGPT instance, and this time it analyzes the comment and gives me some ideas for the upcoming videos. And then again, I populate this Google Sheet document that I had before with the video idea. Sorry, this is the video idea for the upcoming videos. And this is the response that ChatGPT gave. And then I send myself an email stating that I have a new suggestion from a viewer. And the third instance is if I receive a question. What I do then is I send myself an email stating that I received the question. I do not use ChatGPT to answer questions from the viewers. I answer them myself. I think it's a better approach than to let ChatGPT generate answers to questions in my place. So yeah, I send myself an email so I know that I received a question and I need to answer it. But I do use, again, ChatGPT to generate some upcoming video ideas using the question that the viewer had asked me. So let's say somebody asks me, how does make.com work? How to start with make.com? So what ChatGPT would do, it would create a video ideas depending on that question. And then again, I add all the information in the Google spreadsheet document. So this is the brief overview of the workflow, and now we can create one to get it. So this is a blank workspace that we're gonna create our workflow. We're gonna start with the trigger model. It's gonna be from YouTube, and it's gonna watch new comments on your channel. You need to establish a connection if you don't have one. You just do so by clicking add and signing in with your Google account. We're gonna watch new comments on a channel. You can do it on a separate video as well, but we're gonna watch on the whole channel. So we need to get a channel ID. How do we get a channel ID? we click on ID Finder. Here I have a dummy channel. So you just copy the handle, return to make, and paste it here. For the safety, I'm gonna add symbol. I think it works like that. We click OK, and it should find the channel. Yeah. So here's the channel ID. So the next one, we need to select the moderation status of a comment. So we select published. We leave the search terms blank, but this is useful if you want to target a specific word in a certain comment. We will leave it blank for now. And the limit is 1. So basically, we want to respond to 1 comment at a time. So every 15 minutes, as you can see, we're going to respond to 1 comment. So we're going to click OK. And then we're going to add another module of YouTube. And this is going to be the reply to a comment. Remember when I said you can do this completely free of charge? So this is the part where you can do it. When you register with make.com, make.com gives you 1,000 operations per month. So each of this module is 1 operation. So in total, it's going to be 2 operations. And this will leave a generated response to every comment. So you can do it for free for 500 comments. So here we need a comment ID. How do we get a comment ID? We just click on here and we can take a data from the first module. This is going to be the variable which changes with every comment that you receive. And then here we type what we want to respond. In my case, I'm going to type thank you for watching. I hope you rate it. Okay, so let's go and test this out. Hey, great. And just leave a comment. Okay, now we go back to make.com and test this out. I'm gonna click around once. And as you can see, the workflow has been completed. So we're gonna return, refresh the page, and here we have our replay. We can continue to build this system. So what's next? You can make this a lot simpler. You can just add a ChatGPT model like this. And then you can, I usually select ChatGPT 4.0. It's the best performance price system. And then we add a message. First, it's going to be system message. We're going to say what ChatGPT is, how he needs to act, and then we're going to add a prompt. So let's say you and then we add another message. This is going to be a user message, and here we write here we need to insert the actual comment. So we add this one, text display, and click OK. Sorry, max tokens, we're going to set to 0 and click OK. So now what this does, you receive a comment, it's being sent to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create an answer, and then you actually need to come here, delete our manual answer, and click choices, message, and content. And this will be the ChatGPT response. So let's see how ChatGPT gonna respond to our comment. We come here, we add another comment. So So here we have a new comment. We're gonna test it out. We click run once. ChatGPT has provided the answer and the reply to a comment has been published. So how is it? Hey, thanks for asking. This video took me around a week to make from start to finish. This includes planning, filming, editing, and a bit of tweaking to make sure it looks just right. I'm really glad you enjoyed it. If you had any more questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them here. So I think it's a pretty good answer. Okay, but we're gonna build the whole workflow for different type of comments here. So what I do now is I head to Google Sheets and I create a blank spreadsheet. Let's call this YouTube comments. The first column will be comment ID. Then we're gonna have author. Then we have comment. And then we have date. Then we will add comment type, responsive, and also we're gonna add another column for video ideas. So yeah, now we need to click add, then we select Google Sheets, and then we're gonna add a row. We're gonna insert this module here. Then we need to establish a connection. I'm gonna establish a new connection because I have this Google Sheet document on this account. Okay, so it's connected successfully. We're gonna choose select by path, my drive, and we're gonna select the spreadsheet. You can see it's this one YouTube comments that we just made. Sheet name is sheet 1. Table contains headers, yes. So here we need to map out the variables. So comment ID is comment ID. Author is author display name. Comment is text display. And date is published at. These we're gonna populate later. Okay, so we don't actually need this one anymore. What we need is we need to add another instance of ChatGPT, which will analyze the type of the comment we have. So click on this one, add it here, and again, select for all, add a message, system, and now we're going to type URI data. So basically, we're going to have three types of comments: generating ones, question, or suggestion. So the next is we add a prompt. We click user, and then we need to select text display. And then we're gonna add a message, assistant message, just typing here one. Okay, so if it's gonna be a question comment, the ChatGPT will respond to us with number 1. If it's a suggestion, it's gonna be 2. And if it's generated comment, it's going to be 3. Okay. Now max tokens is 0. Okay. So what we do now is we click flow control and we add a router. So the router should be here. So I'm going to delete. Okay. So we need to create 3 instances. Actually, we can do it like this. This will be for generating comments. So it should filter only the number 3. So we're going to set up filter and right here, generic comments. Condition is we're gonna need to select here choices, message, content 2, 3. So if it's 3, then it goes through this workflow. And here again, we need to delete this and type. Okay. And after that, we need to populate the spreadsheet. So Google Sheets, and then we need to select update our row. We have the same connection. We choose spreadsheet. Here, YouTube comments. Then we need to select sheet name. Row number, we do get the row number from here. This is the row number. And table contains headers, yep. And then we need to add comment type. Comment type is generic. Response will be text display from this module. Sorry, from this module. And video IDs, we don't generate any video IDs here. So we got. So we can test this out. We're gonna head back to the YouTube and post another comment. Great video. Okay. Let's head back. Click run once. It's a generic comment because ChatGPT gave us the response 3. So we head back, just refresh this one, and we can see that here is our generated response. And also you can see that document has been updated. So let's continue with our workflow. We're gonna add a ChatGPT instance here. This will be for the suggestion comments. So we need to set up a filter for number. The comment is suggestion. We need to set up filter for number 2. So how do we do that? The same as here. We're gonna take suggestion. Condition is result equal to 2. Okay. So this one will create a response to the comment. So we add message. System, you are a friendly YouTuber. Write the friendly comment response to the comment. This is text display, and then you can also ask ChatGPT to respond with a question. So we will do that. So we leave this blank and we click OK. Max tokens again 0. Oh, sorry. We need to select the module. It's going to be for all. Then we can just copy this module. Clone this module, add it here, and just change the content to the result of this ChatGPT instance. I'm gonna click OK, and we also can copy this module, clone, and update the. So this is suggestion. The response is the result from this module, and we need to also include another ChatGPT instance, which gonna be a data analyst who will give us ideas for the upcoming videos using the comment that was provided by the viewer. So system prompt's gonna be, and yeah, this is the system prompt, and then we're gonna add another user prompt, which will ask the ChatGPT to analyze the particular comment and generate video ideas. Like this, and then tokens is 0. Click OK. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. Clone again. So this is suggestion. The response again is this one from number 10. You can see it here. And video ideas we're gonna take from number 13. Yep. Click OK. Let's test this out. So we are back in the video, and we're gonna let's see how our system works. Just it went through the right path. It generated the response. It published the response, and now ChatGPT is generating ideas for the upcoming videos and updating the Google Sheets document. So let's head to the video and check what was the response. So this thing that we shouldn't have it here, so we're gonna tweak a little bit the prompt, but overall I think the comment is great to start the conversation in the comment section with your viewers. And here we have ideas for the video. So whenever you are stuck, you can go through them, and maybe you can create another video using these ones. So let's go back and tweak the prompt for the response. Let's try this again. This time, let's say you should make shorter videos. Okay, let's test this out. As you can see, it's already generated the response, and now it's generating the ideas. So let's head back to the video, refresh, and see. Yeah, we have fixed the issue that we had before. And as you can see, here is a question, which is good for starting a conversation in the comment section. So basically what it does, when you respond to comment with a question, It makes the user come back to the video. It increases your engagement on your channel. So now we're gonna add the third route for the question comments. We're gonna add a Gmail module that will send an email to me. So we need to configure the filter. Set a filter, label it's a question. Condition is the result of the module number 6, and the result should be 1. Click OK. Now we need to configure this Gmail module. So you just add a connection to your Gmail account, add an email address where you're gonna send it. I'm gonna send it to myself. The subject will be, and the content will be the comment that we receive. We click on OK. Then we're gonna add another module. Basically, we can copy this one. We're gonna clone it. This one is the one that generates ideas for the upcoming videos. And we're gonna clone this one as well. And this all the same. And here we need to change from the response it's gonna be empty. Video ideas we're gonna take from module number 20. So it's the result is going to here, and it's a question. Okay. So let's test this out. We're going back to the video and gonna ask a question. Comment. Let's return to our workflow and the current ones. As you can see, it went to the right path. It's a question. It sent an email to me. We're gonna check the email just a second. Let's let it finish ideas and update the spreadsheet. It's not always that you're gonna have good ideas here, but it's useful to have them. So yeah, as you can see, the response is blank. We didn't have any response. And but here I have an email response. So what I can do, I can head to my account and respond to this comment manually. I think it's the best approach. If you find this useful, or if you like this video, click that subscribe button, and I will be making more videos like this. So probably I will get better at my appearance and talking and everything. But anyways, I hope you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.